Hey, what's up, guys? In this series, I'm going to cover basics of a design pattern and its implementation using Go language. In this video, we will learn about design patterns and why we need those. So, what is meant by design patterns? So, design patterns are the design solution to solve the common design problems. So, what design pattern does? So, it helps in code reusability, code maintainability, and loose coupling. So, we'll get idea about how this code reusability, code maintainability, and loose coupling coming into picture. For this, we will need to go through the example. Once we go through the example, we'll get a clear idea. Consider one example. Consider this is our home, and this is one router, and there are n devices like device one, device two, like a computer, laptop, and other devices are like mobile and tablet. Those devices will get always connected to this router. So that means there will be always one instance of router which will provide the connection or internet to different devices. So this is the good example of singleton patterns where we are using only one instance of a router. Now you might have got the idea about design patterns. I will cover more examples in the next videos. That's all for this video. Bye bye.